Hello world, this is Diego from Canada Coders. This project is going to help us to understand the syntax of Python. So the question is create a program that allows users to compute the standard deviation without using Numpy's built-in methods. The learning objectives for this project is to understand loops, the for loop and while in Python, how to create methods in Python, how to create classes, and then how to use simple data structures. So the project is here. I'm gonna get one class, and this class is going to have four methods to ask the user for entering the data, calculate the mean, calculate the variance, calculate the standard deviation. So I'm gonna create it here in a file called T, and then we're going to move to main to just run to instantiate the variables, the different variables from user information, then using a while loop to ask for the information to the user and generate the results. So let me show you how this works. I'm going just to clear this. Okay, so the project starts here. How many numbers? So we are going to create an array or a list. So we have to ask, for example, 3. I'm going to enter the first number, the second, and the third. So then we're going to ask the user which calculation he requires. 1 for average, 2 for variance, and 3 for standard deviation. 0 to quit. So we're going in order. 1, so the average, the data enter is 56, 55, 54, the data that user enter here. The mean of the data is 55. Then we're going to do 2 variance. So I hit 2. The variance of your data is 1.0. Please enter. Okay, so we keep asking user. So number 3. So the standard deviation is 1. And we want to exit. And that's it. So this is the code. If you just want to grab the code, you can just do it. I'm going to post, this is actually already posted on my GitHub account, so you can get it from the description of this video. If not, you can go to the next videos to see how we are going to do the whole project. Hopefully you're going to enjoy this and you find it very useful. See you in the next video. Bye bye. Thank you.